Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple cinnamon nut bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then in a small or medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and whisk the ingredients until they're combined. Then add in the cold butter that has been cut into pieces, and use your fingers to rub it into the flour mixture until it's evenly combined and the mixture is crumbly. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the apple juice, or you can use milk. If you are using milk, increase the sugar to 1 cup in the recipe. And add in the grated lemon zest, egg, and apple cider vinegar, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then for the apples, you can use any firm cooking apples you like. So wash and dry them. Then peel, core, and dice them. Then measure out 1 heaping cup of the apples. Don't add all the apples in the batter. If there's too much in the batter, the bread will come out very dense. And add them into the wet ingredients. And add in the chopped nuts of your choice, or you can leave them out if you don't like nuts. And add in the dry ingredients. And mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make an apple cinnamon nut bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.